And when you are going to find out the gradient, basically you consider the tangent of that. So you will have this one, and the value will be 0.466. Okay. Here, just remind you, there should be no unit, okay, no true net. Okay, and I consider three significant figures. For this one, the gradient actually equals to tangent 8 degree. So this is equals to 0.141. Once again, no true net. And if you are going to find out the gradients corresponding to the given inclination, okay, so you should know that the gradient equals to tangent 11 degree. Okay, so that is why when you put it there, you know that n will be equals to 1 over tangent 11 degree. So that means n will be approximately equals to 5. Okay, I correct it to the nearest integer. So that means the gradient will be equals to 1 to 5. Okay, so this one as well, we directly write down 1 over n equals to tangent 6 degree. So you know n equals to 1 over tangent 6 degree. And as you use your calculator, you know that n equals to 10. Therefore, the gradient, okay, will be equals to 1 to 10, okay? This time you are going to find the inclination, that means the theta, okay, the angle there. So you know that you have tangent theta equals to 0.357. Therefore, theta equals to 19.6 degree. And please answer the question at the end. That means the inclination is 19.6 degree. Okay, you do not miss it. Okay, so many of you stop here and to omit this sentence. This is very important, so do not miss it. Okay, so the same apply to just let the inclination, maybe let it be theta, okay, in this case. So you have tangent theta equals to 1 over 18. Okay, this is actually what we have, 1 over 18, 1 to 18. And you know theta will be equals to 3.18 degree. This one is corrected to 3 significant figures. Okay, so that is why the inclination at the end, just make sure you don't forget to put down the inclination is 3.18 degree. Okay. Okay, for this one, you basically look at this gradient. Okay, gradient will be equals to the vertical distance over the horizontal distance. So now you know it. This is what you want to find out, okay? And this is what you know, and now this is the gradient. That means you have 1 over 4 equals to, okay, maybe we divide it to be v at the end, and this is 200 here, so v equals to 50. Therefore, her vertical distance moved is 50 meter. So for this one, you are going to find out this one, okay? Basically, this is the horizontal distance. So I guess you know it. This is cosine 18 degree equals to, okay, again, maybe you let the distance be d. Okay, so you have d over 74. Okay, so that is why you will know it will be d equals to 74 times cosine 18 degree, which will give you, okay, 70.4. Okay, 70.4 meter. Okay, therefore, the horizontal distance is 70.4 meter, like this. For this one, you're going to find out the gradient in terms of 1 to n. That means you should find out this inclination first. So you can let the inclination be theta. So what is the purpose? So you know that cosine theta equals to 750 over 800. That is why you can find out theta will be equals to 20.364 degree. Okay, here I take 5 significant figures because this is the intermediate. It is not our answer yet. Okay, it is not the answer yet. So now you know that the gradient should be equals to tangent this value. So once again, you change it back to 1 over n equals to this, and as you know it, you can use the calculator and do the math. That's why you know that n equals to 1 over tangent 20.364 degree. That means n equals to 3 at the end. Okay, that is why the gradient will be 1 to 3, like this. So basically this one you can see that you have to find out two distance, okay, these two. So how to find it? You can see there will be two triangles. So maybe you consider the first one. So you consider triangle ABC. You can set the equation that is sine 2 degree equals to BC over 5. Okay, that is why you have BC equals to 5 sine 2 degree. And then in another triangle that is BEF, you know that this is sine 3 degree equals to, okay, EF over 4. So EF equals to 4 sine 3 degree. So the distance, okay, the vertical distance will be equals to 5 sine 2 degree plus 4 sine 3 degree. Okay, so that is why you will have this one to be 0.384 meter. Okay, so for this question, you should know that when you are given the information like this is AB, and you will know it. This is 4 times 25000. Okay, because this is the scale and cm here. And this is the height where you can see 450 and 325. So you have 450 minus 325. That is why you know that will be the gradient. Okay, the gradient should be like this. You have 450 minus 325 over 4 times 2. Okay, like this one. Because this is in meter, this is in cm. So how to change it? Basically, you divide it by 100, and then this one will become meter. Okay, that is why at the end, you will have 1 over 8. So accordingly, this time again, you just draw it like this. Okay, if you develop this habit, then I guess it is easy for you. This is 300, and this one will be 100. Okay, accordingly, can you see it? That is why now you have this one is equals to 2 times 50,000. That is why if you change it, now for the inclination, first of all, you let the inclination maybe be theta. So you have tangent theta equals to what? Okay, that is 300 minus 100. And this one will be 2 times 50,000 over 100. So, which will give you tangent theta equals to 200 over this 1000. So, theta equals to 11.3. That is why the inclination will be 11.3 degree. And then when you are going to find out the actual distance between A and B, that means you want to find out this one. Okay, this is what we call the actual distance. So basically, you will see that will be, you have, let it be, or you can just set it up like this. You have, maybe you consider sine, so you have sine 11.3 degree equals to this 200 over AB. So AB will be equals to 200 over sine 11.3 degree, which means AB will be equals to 1020 meter. Okay, course, this one we corrected to 3 significant figures. Okay, so the actual distance will be 1020 meters.